thanks for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Miss Clara from HP. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what products they are showcasing at Drone Expo. Hello, glad to have you here, ma'am.
Hello.
Without taking your much time, should we start with the first question? Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
Sure. So my name is Clara Quinquilla. I'm really glad to be here today. Basically, I'm drone segment manager at HP. This means that I'm supporting drone customers in their journey with additive and with HP solution. And my company is, as I said, HP. Basically, we are a technology provider. So we are developing 3D printed technologies.
That's nice. Which products or solution you are bringing to showcase at Drone Expo today?
So basically, as I said, it's all about the 3D printed technology that we are developing that is called multi-jet fusion technology. But it's not only about the printer per se, it's about the entire ecosystem around the printer. So we are not only offering the technology, we are also offering the support from the HP drones team, plus the wide variety of drone manufacturers that we have in India, which are our partners in the country. So it's an end-to-end solution. It doesn't really matter which your needs are. We can support your developments.
Basically, the wide range you are showcasing at Drone Expo. That's wonderful. So, in your views, what are your strengths? Which keeps you unique from others?
I'd say many things. The first thing I'd say that is really related to the technology per se.
Yeah.
The main thing that makes our technology unique is that we have the possibility to produce really light structures that are really strong. So this is the main reason why this technology is winning in the drones space. But on the other hand, as I was also mentioning, I believe that one of the greatest assets that we have at HP is the HP drones team. This is a team of 20 people that is fully focused on this application, supporting customer, understanding their pain points, and coming together with them to the solution that they need.
That's so great. So, do you have any message you would like to convey to your potential customers, visitors, and individuals exploring your booth?
Sure. So the main message would be that it doesn't really matter what you are looking for. We can find the solution together. So often we get to hear that 3D printing is the future of drone, but the reality is that it is the presence, and the presence is MJF.
That's nice. At last, I hope you had the great experience at Drone Expo in Bangaluru. In September, we are bringing it to New Delhi. Would you like to participate again?
So to be honest, this is my very first time in India, and I'm really surprised by the quality of the conversation, the quantity of people attending the event. So I'm really much looking forward to attend again the show.
That's wonderful. Looking forward to see you in New Delhi as well.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.